Yeah, no more monkey will get slaughtered.
Where am I?
Let's see. Red, you're gonna fit in behind either blue
Gaz is
or
in an ADR. Oh my god.
I told you guys.
ADR get the other side of the first rates to shield.
I'll vote ADR. Okay.
Oh, look at that.
3 Santis.
Hey, Carvala.
Ocean. Like that. Yeah.
Yeah, it wasn't a great fire ship.
That was good.
Right.
Just need to
It
turn
was-
around pretty
it was
quick then.
never
Huh?
meant to be.
You could lead.
Okay, so target heading is 1 click right of north. And then
Run me over, Bandit. Get him in. Go.
Bandu tag in at the end of the line behind red.
Hello.
Hello.
Hey.
Is that Art?
Yeah.
Oh,
It's
yeah, it's Art.
Art,
Yeah, you're just in time.
hurry up.
Still get in. You got BR.
I'm coming.
We just joined.
Oh, you just joined? All right.
Yeah,
Yep.
due north of Seastead.
No,
We've
northwest.
got 15
Northwest.
we've got 15 minutes max.
Yeah, just south of
Yeah,
Amelienburg.
more like 10 minutes now.
Yeah.
Oh, is that Nazara here?
Yeah, buddy.
Let's do this thing.
Coming out, Art. Fast as
I'm on my way.
We're just
Bloody, you go ahead of me. I'll slip in behind you. Red
Let's
coat,
do
you go behind
this.
Sticky.
I can't turn in to get with a line because it's going too much against the wind. I'd slow down and I'd get further back. If you guys adjust your bearing more to like,
No, you're
three-
okay. We'll back off. You're good.
Yeah, you'll
Just
be alright
go
with it.
1 right of north. That'll be good. Doesn't matter that you're going slow.
one tick to the right is 0. Aye.
Right. The key thing is
Yeah.
we get a line here.
Don't worry, Red Coat. I'll fill the gap between you and Sticky.
Go on, Ed. Go and get
Red,
that.
Red coat,
go
you're
and get
looking
that.
great. Your heading's good. I'm gonna pop in front of you. Front of the line, no more than 7 knots, please, Kavala.
It's due north, you said?
No, stop. So it is south.
Right.
It is south.
Northwest. It's directly south of Amalienburg, basically.
Yes.
All right.
Oh, yeah,
Northwest. On my way.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Yeah, we need the help too on this one.
Yeah,
This
we
will
do.
be a little tougher.
Go get that chest, Ed. You got some salt there?
Okay, lines looking good. Keep it together, everyone. Arts joining. Who's this guy coming up? That's Palo. Flat out, mate.
Yeah.
Okay.
How do you mean?
Yeah,
What do you want me to do?
just drop in behind Bandu there.
All right.
Well,
Hello's a gunboat.
okay, so Kavala, we're gonna do low risk. We're gonna wear.
Okay, man.
Yeah, do it now.
Okay.
Are we wearing in succession or in sync?
Yeah, it's.
Okay,
it's-
never mind. Sorry. Okay.
As soon as you see the ship in front of you go, then you go.
we're seceding from the line.
Yeah.
Yeah, just try
All
and
right.
keep it
I
close
see
as you
these
can.
swords.
You're in plenty of time.
No speed limit now, Kavala.
Okay, man.
Sticker, you so far right so you can turn a little faster.
Say again, sorry.
Are you like really far right because you want to turn faster?
No, I'm just trying to look at the map. That's all. I'm trying to get in line.
I'm going to move a
I'm
little
sorry.
bit further
I'm
away.
not
through-
happy.
Oh no,
We're
you're
gonna
fine.
get
I mean, I
shadows.
thought that you were doing it so you could like take a tighter turn.
Ed,
No,
why
I'm
don't you just
just
go
looking
like
at the
in
map.
front of me?
Here we go.
Okay, it's
Right, this is
shadows
looking
still.
nice. Everyone like.
Are you
look
following your
back.
orders to the end?
Yes.
Go
I
on,
was
Ed. Go and
told
get
to
those-
join line.
Go and get those
Ed,
chests.
no.
Ed.
By God, I was
Oh
told to
shit!
join the line.
Someone
and
else
I
joined.
joined.
I'm
Really?
right in the middle of them.
Art taking
Sorry.
you.
It's me.
Art.
I needed that
How
paint
did he
job.
join?
Hey, Carvala, head straight towards Art. That would be my suggestion here.
Where is Art? Yeah, well, we need to keep our distance from these guys because they're wind shadowing us.
I'll be.
But
Can I form up in front of
Now,
Carval?
once we're past the end of the. Hmm?
Never mind.
Yeah, no, if you want.
Bandu. No, just tag on the end of the line, man. You'll be lead soon. Don't worry.
Yeah, it's fine.
Oh, you are on the end of the line, yeah.
Hey,
Yeah,
I am.
so
Usually,
now I'll
what's
head towards
the problem with being back here?
I'll
Yeah,
head
as
up
soon as next time we
about
change
180.
Bandu, you'll be at the front. Don't worry.
Well, what's the problem with being back here?
Nothing.
There you go.
More we should have.
We're just basically holding position until they come up to us.
This is
So
gonna
we
be a
get
fun
the
battle.
faster and stronger ones first.
One
or
right
the
here
light
now.
one. Don't kill anything unless you can loot it.
That goes for Feliciano.
Hello everyone.
Hello.
Hello?
What's going on?
Just doing HDFs outside of
HDF.
Kristenstead.
Mind if I tag along?
Nah, man. We just
Not too
started.
late.
Get in, sure, but you've only got about 5 minutes to get in the battle.
5 minutes now.
We're
Yeah,
south
you've got
of.
Christiansted.
No.
Yeah,
No.
south of Aminienburg.
Northwest of Christiansted.
Yes, it is south of Amelienburg.
Bring a first rate, well, first to third rate.
Ooh, this is gonna hurt.
No, obviously bringing first rate. For my own safety, that is.
Yeah.
Carvala, I hope they shoot
Get
you.
in, you're welcome.
This is a good line. I can pick them all off like this.
Okay, so new headings like about 180-ish.
Yeah, that's exactly what we're
I'm
doing.
gonna hit you here a little bit, Stick.
That's okay. That's fine. I'll depower. That'll get me going.
Yeah, we might want to slow down, Carvala.
I can do. I was doing 6.9, but I'll slow a little.
Okay, here we come. The first are coming up on the left. Get ready, everyone.
Are they gonna do a Trafalgar?
Basically.
No, they won't. They'll back off.
Sure.
they'll angle till the last minute. Just save your shot till you got a good shot. Here we go. We've got one on this Santee right here.
This is gonna
Break
be
his
fun.
nose.
It's a very disciplined line here, gents.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Map.
Let's keep this disciplined line. Let's just pass right past Holvid. This is the way we survive, folks. Fireship wasn't great, so we just need to stick together.
I'm real glad they're
Really
shooting at
good
you
line.
guys.
Out.
Hey.
Kavala, they'll be aware at the end of this as well. That will take us up to the wind shift.
You're doing good, Ed.
Okie doke.
I think you're our MVP.
Yeah, well, think now. It's a fact, you know. He's
yeah, so
counting
I
us.
think that's doing him a disservice.
Like he's taking all the stern shots for me. So it's like he's literally the better player. Like he's.
Bandu doesn't like the fact that the gunboat's outdoing him.
Yeah, a
Yeah.
little bit.
I was gonna say. Art, did you see?
Maybe you can depower at the front because the line's stretching out.
Sure. Okay, T-power. Let me know when you want us to wear as well.
Will do.
I thought you already depowered.
I had, and then I powered up again. When I
Oh.
was down to about 5
I
now.
asked him to depower.
Yeah.
Just don't want to stretch the line out. I want it to kind of concertina a bit.
Sure.
Yeah, we don't wanna-
180 is a good course. Hold that and fire on your left.
Ah, it's an art. Woohoo!
Yeah,
Art,
Art.
Art, did you
it's definitely an art. It's an art form.
did you see Pello's little surprise that he's sailing? Or his fun little ship?
The first line, it's a ship of the line, that thing. It's just in disguise.
Okay, Kavala, you can
Go.
where now, mate?
That is hilarious.
Roger.
Stay around about north, maybe a bit left of that, just to loop back.
Yeah. Will do. Doing it
Everyone
now.
at the back, make sure you got full speed.
And then we'll want to stay relatively slow, I think, Carvalho, right?
Yeah, I think that's guaranteed by the wind shadow that we're going to have again anyway.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, usually the inertia carries, but when you're this packed...
Okay, so a successive wear of
Alright, I
just
thought you were in it.
I wondered what was hitting me. I'm like, there's nobody even nearby that could be hitting me.
I thought you were in enemy Laotian.
That's hilarious.
I'm not gonna lie, I put a broadside in him as well, thinking the same thing.
Yeah, the House of Stuart flag wasn't.
You should have joined us at the front, Art. We didn't shoot you.
Yeah, right.
That's
Shit.
right. All right, I'm jumping on the back end here.
Ding was only the third in line. He did shoot you. The front did shoot you.
Hang on. Important message. Everyone try and really tighten up on Kavala now, please. As you wear out to the right, just try and close the gaps up.
Yeah, so
Yeah,
Carvalho...
I'm coming about. I'm joining on the back end.
Yeah, Carvalho, you might want to stay, like, depowered or something
I
like
gotta
that.
get that
Don't hit me, Stingray.
right side
I'll
repair.
depower
ADR's
again.
going to get running straight.
Although you're about to...
Wind shift is coming.
Oh, it's surrounded.
Be prepared. We might get scattered here.
Who's surrounded?
I'll be all right.
Wind shift clockwise. Wind shift clockwise.
Oh yeah.
No, it shouldn't happen for another minute.
It is shifting. I just told you. Wait.
It wobbles.
Might be
doesn't
oscillates.
Oh, okay. All right. Never mind. Sorry. I take that back. Sorry.
It'll happen at 1 hour 14.
Hopefully me and Bandit can at least make it partway around the curve so we don't get stuck on irons.
Front of line is 5 knots.
Enough.
Yeah, if we're quick here, we can make it round before the wind shifts. We might need to like double back.
Could be.
But as it is, make a wear in succession. Try and mate on Kavala.
What the hell?
Yeah, it's shifting. We're gonna.
Well,
Yeah, it just does. It just goes random, but then it really shifts. So watch out for that. That'll happen at 1:14. So we've got 50 seconds.
Bandu redcoat. Nice window there. Got my broadside off.
Oh,
I didn't even
so
see that fucking Wasa.
just to give you a bit of fun, I'm just gonna sink Feliciano, and if someone behind me wants to go and grab it.
Yeah. Okay. Yep. Do it.
Yeah, I just gotta get my right away from this guy here.
I'm crawling.
The ocean, giddy up.
All right. So who's looting Feliciano on the left side?
Ed.
Okay. So wind shifts in progress. Let's just
Right.
watch where it goes. You might need to go left or right, but just at the moment, kind of head north.
Yeah, I think it's shifting clockwise here.
Yeah, I think so. Too.
Yeah, it's still going.
So what, 45?
Well, how far does it shift?
So it goes like 180 degrees. It goes wild.
Hey, Bloody, what is your Laotian made out of? Or wait, is that a Santee?
Yeah, I'd say you're right. It is going clockwise. Okay, new heading is 90.
Live oak
Yeah.
something. I don't know. I didn't build it.
90 sounds awesome to me.
Yeah.
I think if we
you
all
can
go
lead
smartly
on.
on 90, we'll get the gauge.
So if we all
90
power
it's
down,
against the wind.
there.
Yeah, I gotta get my right away from these. I gotta get my right away from these guys. So
Yeah.
Wait,
Do
why
you lead?
are we gonna go against the wind?
It's not against the wind.
You've
90
got-
is
You've
now.
got a trink coming around
towards
behind you
leech.
guys. Is that trink or a wassa? You got a ship right behind you, boys. Bandit.
Yeah,
want to be
just-
able
Oh no, I see him.
Like-
I'm just angling from him, and I'm trying to follow you guys in the line. I
Turn
can't shoot him
onto
right now.
90, then we can regroup. We're way above them.
Not for long.
Yeah.
Yeah, 90's.
Okay, hold on.
Oh shit! Sorry, Carvala.
Right, we may even
Yeah,
need
I
to
think-
come
alright,
up
come
to
on.
135 now. Windows going mad. 135, and then we'll wear back to them. But 135 for now.
Are you running a
It's coming with us.
Yes.
Yeah, everyone on 135.
That's sort of against the wind.
Yeah, we want to climb against the wind, and with the wind shift, we have a massive advantage. Everyone on 135.
Oh, we're gonna offer shit. We're gonna make hairbands and blazers and socks. There's miscellaneous shit everywhere.
Nazir, you're doing alright.
Yeah.
Kavala, you're doing alright. Yeah. Okay, so the rear guard is good. 135 is good. Then we'll form another line. Oh, Edward, not looking so healthy. Okay, so Stick Shaker's going to take the head of the line. Try and, I'm going to depower, I'm going to do 6 knots, fall in behind Stick Shaker.
Come on.
So it's Stick Shaker, Red Coat, Bloody, you might be able to go ahead of Bandu. You sort
Unlikely.
yourselves out. Blue, you go behind Bandu. Art, if you can fall behind Blue.
So wait, I'm good.
Kavala and Naz will sort themselves out, I'm sure. Then we're going to do a line, and then we're going to wear back to the left to cover Kavala and Naz.
So wait, I'm good.
Okay, Bandy, you need to put your foot on the pedal.
Can you loot you and Hendrick there, Naz?
I can. He's not sunk yet.
He's going down though, isn't he?
He's not going
he's
to be
pretty
doing
cool.
much moving.
Yeah.
SS,
He's slowly
you can
sinking.
fall behind
Yeah, I'll
Red
see if I can
Coat.
finish him.
We'll do
Pele, you just stay there.
red code
and
watch
ram,
speed.
as fast as you can.
Yara is sinking. We're about to lose
He's going down now.
Hendrick Yara.
Oh, really? Yeah. Oh, it's completely upwind as
Are
well.
we gonna turn back around to get Yara?
Yeah, we are going to do that. The wind's gone crazy. Okay,
I'd suggest we
Unbelievable.
tack and go through them.
Well, I was going to wear actually.
Well, we keep going downwind. We
Well-
have a Wassa and a Santee that
Yeah,
are
because the
about to
wind's
sink.
going fucking nuts.
Well,
I'm
we,
gonna
Well, that's why I'm
wear.
saying we should tack. Once we tack, we'll be
Yeah.
with the wind and we're
One
already
commander at a
upwind.
time, guys, please.
Yeah, okay, so
Okay.
I'm actually gonna go left towards Kavala,
Okay, man. Alright.
because that's really quite an easy turn. Support back of the
Nazir.
group, allow it to regroup.
I'm
We're gonna
trying not to run into you, but you're going really slow.
Yeah, no.
Nazir, are you going for that Wassa?
yes.
Alright.
I'm gonna go for Emil.
I
I'm gonna try
literally,
and
I'm
cover
stuck
you,
on you
Nazir.
right
I'm
now.
gonna
I
type
can't
you
turn
in.
off.
Yeah, that's alright. Okay. Sorry, I was just looking at the map.
Nazir,
But
I'm gonna
think-
try and cover
I
you,
think
okay?
Kamala's going for Emil. He's
It's almost
Where
dead.
you head?
he's dead. Yeah.
Hey, we just have there's a random Laotian that's behind us. Wait, is he in the Discord?
No, he's not.
Yeah, he is.
That's SSDD,
Yes.
yeah.
That's me.
He's
Ah, SSD, yeah, he's in there. Yeah.
Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Oh,
Hello.
oh, he's just not in the battle group.
Yeah, how the hell did you get in?
he just joined quite
Battle's
late.
open.
Yeah.
Our BR is
So-
pretty low.
Yep, you guys' BR were much lower. So. Stayed open, I guess.
Jeez, they're just shredding my stern.
I'll let you go about first.
Yeah, I'm sorry, Naz. You're way too upwind to me.
Okay,
I know.
so
Cover you.
if you're getting shredded, you need to escape on 315. That's going to give you more pain, but at least you got more backup.
I'm good, thank you.
He's right though, Naz. If we hit 315, I can cover you.
Well, I'm gonna try to get Feliciano, the Trincomely that sank a while ago. Plus that Santee that just sank as well. Did somebody loot him?
I don't know. I assumed somebody in the line would have looted him. Did that?
I'm going
did...
for Emil. Yeah, I'm going for him.
No, oh, you're going to loot Emil?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. I was just
I might be
turning
able
around
to
loot
loot
him.
Hendrik Yara.
Where is
That
Hendrik?
Santee you just sank.
When you repair on your gunboat, it doesn't give your guns back.
Oh no, they
I'm
knocked out
essentially just a
50%.
rowboat.
Oh,
Dumb as shit.
did you lose both?
Really?
Yeah,
That's a
I got
bit weird.
both of them gone.
Oh, well that's annoying.
Okay, 315's a basic heading for now. It's going to take us right into them, so get ready for more pain, folks.
I wonder if could I go capture that Wassa there and crew it?
Yep.
Maybe. Go for it.
You
Did you
don't.
get that one, Sticky?
Yep.
Brilliant. Cheers, man.
I'm gonna sail out to that Trink or Wassa.
Go
See
for
if I
it.
can capture it and use it in battle.
Basic heading 315 for now.
Naz is gonna loot Jan, the Santee that sank upwind.
Oh, bro. That's good.
Red code, check heading.
Yep, I'm turning.
Just gonna take on Feliciano while I'm here.
Right, fight hard, guys.
Who's
They're all
that?
coming
Oh,
in.
shit.
This is gonna hurt. Unless he broadsided you, Cavala.
No, he didn't. They just do. They're ignoring
Yeah.
me. It's great.
Easy one for me.
315's good. Art, your head, but you're maybe needing a wrap. So,
Yeah.
Cavala, your head. Everyone follow Cavala, attack Feliciano and loot.
Yeah.
So you're going to come right onto north.
Okay, no.
Art, you can join whenever you're ready.
Yeah, I got a rep coming here in a second, so.
Okay?
Feliciano just heard you. He's just turned away.
Yeah, but.
I just gotta keep my right away from these guys.
Yeah, you're good. I think you're pretty well shielded, Art. Everything.
Yeah, I am, yeah.
We're covering you, right?
And Naz he's gonna pick up
Alright,
that.
Naz.
Up there.
I'm too slow.
Nah, it's alright. I knew I was gonna take a couple of broadsides.
Yeah, I think we're just going to do a big loop around Feliciano.
Where the fuck is he going?
So we're eventually going to wear. Oh,
He's
well,
going
we've
on
kind of got the line back
No.
together again.
No
I love it.
cruise.
I want to
Oh,
capture that
Rarewood.
Wassa and see if I can bring it into the battle.
Oh,
Did we
well
get
done.
Redwood? Hell yeah.
Way. I'm
There
glad
we
you
go.
looted that one
Way
then.
to go.
Oh my god,
Don't get sunk.
I am overburdened.
You'll be alright in the battle.
You'll be fine in battle.
Yeah.
When you're out of the battle, you are in battle.
Hey, Sticky, you're gonna you're wind chatting me here.
I'm sorry, mate. I'm just going to try and pop in behind Cavala.
Alright.
13 leaks in Feliciano.
What?
I'll keep you busy.
Hold on, I'll be back. I won't be that long.
Someone didn't do the chore.
Okay, Cavala, he's running away. If we chase him, he'll carry on running. So
Yeah.
I'd say the best thing to do is to wear.
Yeah.
Okay, so when you're ready, Kavala, wear to your right. New heading will be 180.
Okay. I'll just hit him once more while I'm here. Then I'll go.
Yeah, we can follow him to the end of the earth.
Bandu, do you want support?
Oh, more leaks.
Yeah, eventually.
Right,
They're already
here we
headed
go.
180, so I'll get support eventually.
Okay, sequential wear behind Kavala. Kavala, once you're through the wear, can you depower and do like 6 knots so everyone can
Sure.
catch up?
Yeah.
Everyone take this opportunity to try and close up the line. Like really tighten up on the lead ship's ass.
I think I'm back, and looks like just in the nick of time.
Yeah, cool.
Oh, this wind shadowing is
How's
amazing.
rocking the ADR? All right.
Yeah, buddy. Yeah, I built it just for this battle.
You're right there,
Sweet.
Bandy? Yeah,
I'll just
looking
set
like
this one
you're
now.
Bermuda cedar fur?
Feels like it. It definitely feels like it.
I got a new rig too.
Yeah?
Yeah. Got a Republic of Gamers G17 with 3060 and 16 gigs of RAM.
Shit, son.
That's cool. Feliciano.
Ryzen 7.
Run along with us. He's not going to last long. We just need to watch out to Feliciano.
Yeah, I had an old Republic of Gamers laptop, 17-inch. It was like Windows 7. It was from like 2012 or something, in my bedroom. And when the fire department had sprayed everything, it collapsed my ceiling in on top of it.
Oh no.
So the insurance company, the computer has drywall and everything all in it, so they decided that they were going to replace it for me.
That's awesome. Upgraded too?
Water damage.
Well, yeah,
That's awesome.
because they don't make those
Hey,
old ones
Stinger, you're
anymore.
gonna overtaking me here.
Yeah, sorry, just falling behind me.
So
If
my
I crash
repair
into you, that's I can't
is
do anything
finally
about it.
done.
That's awesome.
Okay, so we need to watch out for Crispin. Don't overkill him. Want to be able to loot him.
Yeah, it panned out on that.
Hey, I'm halfway structured down. Can I get some support on Ramla?
Bandu, we're looping back towards you, I think.
Yeah.
No,
Well, Naz is almost there, and I'm coming back too.
Yeah.
I'm brawling 3 first rates right now.
Yep.
Like
Yeah,
that.
we're coming to you, man.
Okay, Kavala, head directly to Bandu. I'll follow
Yeah.
up.
God, I'm gonna sink. I guarantee this.
No, you can't sink. You got the redwood chest on you.
Yeah, you
Yeah.
should focus on getting out of there in his air. I'll be fine.
Well, just take one of them off of Bandu, that's all. I'm coming though.
We're
Okay,
yeah.
just everyone be a bit careful about Feliciano and that other guy that's heading up north.
Crispin.
We,
Oh, Feliciano's keep coming
Yeah.
to this, is he?
don't sink him. Because
With the wind I've got, I can actually loot him.
All right, Copper.
right,
Jesus.
bloody, if you can loot him, go for it.
Yep. Well, I'm sailing straight into him almost. Turn off that side.
Get up here and lay down.
Here we go. Come on, motherfucker.
Come lay down. Come on, Copper. Copper. Come on.
When's the next wind shift?
Bandu, keep doing what you're doing. It's not for a few minutes. No, it's happened. It's actually happened.
A wise man once said, "Just go straight at them."
Yep, let's smoke.
We'll
see.
see.
Yeah,
I think
everything
we have the
no.
strength to monkey now. I think we have the strength to monkey.
Well, since the line's together, I don't want to break it up. We're We're doing good damage here with the line.
Oh fuck.
You alright, Ned?
Nope.
Oh, Jesus, no, you're not alright, are you?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna. Oh, well, and you're
Yeah,
totally
break
upwind of us
break
as well.
off and out.
I know.
Art's going over there.
Alright.
I'll head to Harvard.
Head towards me, Naz.
I'm just gonna try to stay angled against these guys because they're able to take up my structure at impossible angles. It's nuts.
Cavalli, you support Naz, I'll support Bandu.
Yeah, if I can get over there.
I got 1 minute till rep.
Bandu, you're not badly injured. What the fuck?
I mean, I told Naz to get out of there, man.
I'll see if I can keep Holvid interested in me.
Right, Bandu, let's encircle these two and finish them off.
Sounds good. They're about to expose their left side, the weak side.
I'm coming about, Naz, so I can help you with this guy.
Alright, yeah, I got a good angle.
Just stay ahead of the guy that's on your ass.
Yeah. I mean, he's stuck in the
I'm
wind,
gonna
fortunately.
try. He's, yeah, he is. So am I, I'm trying to get to him.
Oh, good, I'm on fire now. That's cool.
Oh,
So I got out to that Wassa and I put all my crew on it, but it still didn't
Repair
be
starting.
commanded, unfortunately. So
Yeah, keep the circle going, Bandu. We got these guys dead. They're gonna
Yep,
die.
I realize what we're doing.
Sweet.
I may lose my broadside, but it's all good. These dudes are.
Big Shaker, watch right.
You've got clear water out
Yeah, thank
just
you.
to your side
No,
there,
it's
Naz,
okay.
so you can really
Okay.
escape into.
I'm
Yeah.
coming over to be Naz's right side.
Ooh, I might get a nasty stern rake on this Avellino guy.
Yeah, let's just keep circling them, then we'll loot them.
Watch out for the dudes on your right, Stick.
Yeah, I know he's there.
Just crazy how much structure these guys can take with like 3 shots.
Yeah.
Oh my fucking god. And your repair too? Jesus Christ, kid.
Oh, why did you slow down, man?
I think it's funny how the Swedish use the half decks on their warships.
I think Feliciano is gonna go down here.
Yeah, they both are.
I think I've taken the heat off you on this guy.
What?
Feliciano.
No.
Redcoat, can you loot
Yeah, I'm occupying the other guy.
Just fucking painting my stern.
Avellino?
Yeah. You can
Uh-huh.
do him. I can do Feliciano.
Yeah, they're definitely packing your stern.
Yeah.
Yeah, this
And
one
that's how I'm losing all my structures, these fucking random ass stern shots.
Yeah. As soon
Like-
as you can just sail away, because this one can't really get to you. You can just stern rate.
Alright, Crispin's looted.
Okay, yeah, at least you got a rep going.
Let's do this.
Just want to present this guy with a
Avellino
strong
gonna be on the
side.
strong side. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to take his hull out.
He's getting more of an angle on you, though.
Yeah, I know. That's why I'm
Do what
Where
turning
are you
around.
going, Naz? You want to be going the other way, mate.
Dude,
You head
Just-
out to clear blues. You know.
yeah.
Road, basically.
Art, can you loot Feliciano?
Where is he?
He's right in front of you. I'm just killing him.
Well, I was trying to stay with Naz.
Yeah.
But yeah, I can get him.
Vicky, if I keep turning, I'll probably sail straight into you guys.
He's just right upwind for me.
Hey, Avellino's, he's right on my tail. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get. No, wait, hold on. I'm gonna show him my other side.
SSDD, can you go for Ann Hands? I
I'll
think he's
get
gonna-
Feliciano.
Oh, never mind.
Okay, I'll kill him off then.
Carvalho's over there. He can help Naz a bit.
Yeah, I mean, I'm getting around Naz's right
I
wind.
can
Just
attack
turn
the
away
guy.
from these guys, Naz. I'll keep them busy, but
Well,
You want to stay away from them.
I know, I'm upwind. I just had to angle because the angle I was doing, which was actually counter to a wind shift, was actually putting my stern at him, which is how he was chipping away my health. So that's why I turned around.
Yep.
I caught Avellino on fire. I hope it doesn't spread.
I'm going for Feliciano. Is anyone else going for him?
I think.
Well, I was, but yeah, go ahead, and then I can go help Carval and Naz.
Alright, sounds good.
Because at least if I can get between Naz, then somebody can block for him, and then Carvala can kick the shit out of them.
I'm 100% good. The only guy that scares me is Ann Hands, who's right around 75 degrees.
Straight.
But he's a ways away.
Straight for Ian Hands now.
Oh, this one's turning back to you now, Naz.
Yeah, I'm straight upwind of him though. I'm not scared of him.
Come on, Mr. Hands. Let's dance. On you lazy crew, get a move on.
Dude, I hate playing with this stupid wind. I really do.
Yeah, the wind oscillating and going crazy bullshit.
Yeah, I absolutely hate it.
It's just not realistic.
No.
Not even close to realistic, but
I don't know if I'm going to be able to loot this Avellino guy because I'd have to tack to get to him.
No, it's okay. I can get him. No,
definitely.
I was gonna go for him, Sticky. But I'll go for Clement if you want me to.
Oh,
get
like
him.
it definitely does leave.
What's your side, Naz? This
I
guy's
yeah.
around.
I know. I saw it.
I'm gonna stern rake Clement here.
I just think I saw it too late.
I might get in between you though. I'm coming right across your bow, so.
I'm hitting him as hard as I can. on the
Sticky,
side, just to take
are
the
you
line.
gonna shoot Clement's
I
nose?
can get Clement. Yeah.
Just keep your
That was close. And the only reason why he was able to do that because the wind's fucking stupid.
Yeah. Yeah, it's just shifted.
God, and I can't
So,
maneuver
are
because
you
I don't have
going for
speed.
Clement, or are you gonna go for that other guy?
I'm gonna go for Clement. You
Art.
go for
Art.
Avellino.
Okay,
Turn.
yeah.
Yep.
That's good.
Turn left or straight or something. I gotta turn left into you because otherwise he's gonna board me.
Avellino's a sunken ship.
Okay, I'm turning left.
Yep.
Hard to
Do
port.
you have Avellino, Bandu?
No, I'm going for Clement.
I'm going
Well,
for
he's
Avellino.
right on the way. I mean,
Yeah, but he's upwind of me. Yeah, Avellino.
Alright,
Yeah,
I'm gonna come around and see if I can get in between you.
wait, Sticky, you've got Avellino?
Yes.
Oh, Art's gonna get in between you now.
How do you
better.
do raking like that? I all of my shots, like, I hit the first few, but then all of the rest miss.
Oh, never mind. I got Avellino.
Alright, I'll go for Clement then.
No. How do you stern rake like that? You're a wizard.
Just experience, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, you just the timing right.
Watch some of my vids on YouTube and you can see some of like how much I change between like parallel versus 250 versus water conversions. I mean
I
that.
normally use normally use parallel if I'm trying to stern rake.
But
Nope, it's all situational.
it depends on your ship. Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, it depends on the speed and stuff
Come on,
of which you're crossing your
Let's go
stern.
this way.
Yeah. In general, like in frigates, I'll use parallel, but otherwise, I'll do usually 250 for line ships.
Yeah.
Oh God!
Well, like, if you're up at
Red Hook.
like above 9 knots, you want to use parallel then.
Red coat,
Come
you
on,
just
Ian.
scared the shit out of
If
me.
you're below
Around
that,
this way a bit. Some people want to say hello.
you want to be using 250 then. If you're
Yeah.
below 9.
Would anybody like some hands?
Red
I
coat, you
can
just
take
scared the
any
shit out of me.
Depends on what kind of hand you're talking.
Oh well, we're talking
What do you
about
wanna do with
hands. Right here, I've got a nice broadside for anybody that wants it. Not my ship. Do you need me to turn him
Sticky,
around?
are you boarding?
No, but no, he's got 600. Can't be bothered.
Alright, this guy's dead in a minute.
Bloody, you okay over there?
I'm having some fun. He can't board me. So. Poor old Andy is having a bit of a hard time.
Alright, that one's dead.
Layla.
Got me on my knees.
My name is Layla.
I'm breaking down, please.
Layla. I'm begging, darling, please, Layla.
Oh, thanks for the help there, guys. That sucked.
Pleasure. Glad it worked.
Yes, sir.
I tell you, I lose more ships now than I have in the past, like, 3 years.
And you shoot like a girl. I'm sorry, I'm right alongside him, but he can't hit me. It's like, really? Fucking hell.
Right, what's left?
Not much.
Just one.
And hands over here.
Hands. Yeah.
Just my mate that I'm playing with.
That didn't sound right.
It doesn't have to.
It doesn't matter.
Love is
Is
love.
he just gonna ram me?
He might
He
try
was
and board you.
He was happy enough to ram me.
Ah,
And that didn't work out for him.
repeatedly.
Now he's trapped. Good for him.
There was a lot of momentum on that collision.
Everybody ready on Mr. Hands.
Yeah, he ain't gonna last time, is he?
Let's see if we can't cannon shock this bastard and explode him next to Bandu.
Everybody load your grape. Load grape. It appears Pello is no longer with us.
Are we camping in?
Run away.
No, no, I captured a Wassa and escaped.
Oh, did you
So I
really?
didn't have any. Yeah, I couldn't.
Run away!
Let's say it's kind
They
of pointless.
both my guns,
Yeah,
and I couldn't, like, when I'm repaired, I couldn't get my guns back, so I was like,
it's kind of
I'm just gonna
worthless.
Cap this Wassa.
Yeah.
Stick, we sandwiched just Lit Ocean so hard it fucking surfaced again.
Yeah, right.
You blocked my
Just
shot.
two HDFs. That
Oh
this
my
Wassa
goodness.
survived, man.
I just got 30 leaks. Oh wait, that's on Clement Ortega, the ocean that's sticking his nose out.
This
Scott's
poor
right,
ocean,
we-
he's
we-
completely surrounded.
He's not dead well, is he?
The gunboat has survived two HDFs in a row.
What's his crew at now?
Yeah. And they shot at least a couple of broadsides at you. I saw one they shot at you, and I don't think the Wassa hit you at all, but that would have been scary as shit.
I mean, hell, one of those 42-pounders hits you, it's over.
Mm-hmm. Especially like when I would look at your ship, I'd see 2 crew members. So hey, one 42-pounder could take out both of those crew members and keep going, no problem.
Don't worry, use rum to heal them.
Yeah.
Don't
That'll
question it.
that'll fill up the
My gun
hole
got
in my
hit.
chest.
He took a direct hit from a 42-pounder. Given some rum, he's all good.
Yeah.
That's right.
Yeah. Yeah. He'll just stuff his guts back in.
Yeah.
Just keep going.
You know, it's hard to drink rum when your head got dislodged by a 42-pounder.
No, it's not. It's fine. Trust me.
You just stick it in your neck cavity.
There you go. There you go.
Just give him a
No,
straw.
it just means you didn't provide enough rum.
Yeah.
Given enough rum, anything can be fixed.
Alright, well, I got this, this guy.
That sucked. I got my butt kicked.
Hey guys, guess what? It's against wind going into port.